If you find yourself being thrown into a lady's friend zone, the reason is that you are not sparking that attraction that a man is meant to give to a lady, to make the lady feel that yes, this particular guy is having the potential of being a partner and someone that I am attracted to. That spark that you must have as a guy is not there. That is the main reason you end up becoming friends with most ladies that you love to be with, most ladies that you are attracted to. You are just stooping so low to become friends with them, and in that case they have categorized you as just, we are just friends. You have been thrown into the friend zone. In this video, I'll be telling you the special tips and very fast for you to use to get out of whatsoever friend zone that you might have gotten yourself into. My name is Paul and I'm into dating tips for guys and for ladies, and also talking about my lifestyle just to make you guys a better person and a better version of yourself. Thank you. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that anytime I release a beautiful video like this, you will be the first person to get it. The first tip on my list today is to get over rejection. Like, consider rejection as a normal thing. There is nobody that is not going to get rejected at some particular time. No matter how attractive you are Brad Thomas, or you are just like the most attractive man on earth, there is no how. One particular day or two or three, you will get rejected, because I'm not just being 100% perfect for every lady in this world, because every lady have their own choice of what qualities they want in a man, and definitely you can't have everything. But what we are teaching in this channel is for you to have at least 75 to 80% of that attraction to get any lady that you want. So rejection should be like a normal thing. That yes, you go and approach a lady and she tells you, no, I'm not really interested because she has a boyfriend, or she has another thing that she's doing, or she's not emotionally ready to go into a relationship with you, but she finds you attractive. It is also known as rejection. Or you went to go and meet a friend of yours that you have been attracted to, or you have been feeling that yes, I really love this friend of mine, and you want to try to take it forward than being just friends alone, and she told you that, oh no, we are just friends, I see you as my brother. That is also rejection. So just count it as a normal thing. You can get rejection in relationship, you can get rejection in your daily life, you can get rejection at your workspace, anywhere you can get rejection. So I just count it as a normal daily bread. Like, just count it as rejection is just a normal thing in life, and you have to go through it to actually succeed or actually become the man you want to be. The second tip is to be the catch, like to make yourself the priority in everything that you are doing, and to get out of a friend zone that a lady have kept you into. You have to make yourself the priority, and that is by investing in yourself, taking care of yourself, making yourself happy, and making yourself come first before any other person or before any of your friends that you are being friend zoned. Because the friend zone area is, you are putting people ahead of you. You are putting people ahead of your happiness. You are doing things for people that you don't really feel you are happy to do it, but you just want to feel good, or for them to acknowledge you that yes, he's a good friend of mine. Then you are doing it just to make them happy, and deep down you are not making yourself happy. So what you have to do now is to just flip that table aside. Put yourself as the priority, make yourself happy, be the man, like be the perfect man that you want to be. Invest in yourself, have good clothing, walk in confidently to anywhere you are going, approach a lady with smile and the sexual approach. Like, you don't need to rush yourself, she's not chasing you. Come into a building, use your face, like your body language shows confidence. Like, confidence is key to approaching ladies or attracting ladies or getting out of the friend zone area. So what I want you to do is to have confidence, and your body posture, maintain eye contact, walk calmly, speak calmly, and just invest in yourself. Like, prioritize yourself as number one in any frame of relationship you want to go into, be it your friends or a lady that you want to go into a relationship with that later friend zoned you. You have to prioritize yourself, make yourself as number one on the list. Even make yourself number one on the list is you, number two on the list is you, number three on the list is you, four is you. Then you cannot put number five or six as another friend of yours, but one, two, three, four should be you, and you alone. It has to be about you. That is when you will need to take care of yourself and actually put your mindset that you don't give a fuck about every other person or what every other person wants to say to you. Even though you are going to get rejected or not, you don't give a fuck. You only care about yourself. That is what you need to take the step to get out of any friend zone that you have been put into. Now, I believe that you have accepted rejection as a normal thing, and also you have put yourself as number one on the list. That's to prioritize yourself, to make yourself happy. Next thing is to take some time away from them. Fine, we have agreed that you are already in the friend zone, or to come out of it, and that means you have to take some time away from that particular person or that particular lady of yours. Take some time away from her. If it is a week, a month, don't talk to her, don't have any contact with her. Maintain yourself and just be yourself, because she will keep wondering, like, this person that is always there for me is no more there any longer. And she will message you, and sometimes she might not message you. Means that you are not even in the frame of someone that she remembers. Also, I know it's painful, but you just have to accept it like that. Take your time away, take some time, have some fun, treat yourself, invest in yourself, try to get better. Then what you want to do is to kill that friendship mind that has been in her head. It is to kill that friendship mind for her to see that, yes, this is a new person that is approaching me. It has been long that you have spoken to her. Then now you want to speak to her. You want to give her the picture of yourself as the attractive man that you want to be. You want to give her that attractive picture that, yes, I am someone that I want to be with you. I want to be a partner with you. I want to take this relationship more than just friends. Then you need to give her some time, or give yourself time. Like, give each other. You don't have to be closer to each other every fucking time she's asking for you to come. You are already there. If she tells you, please come, I need you, you are already available. Like, you don't have anything to do again. So you have to stop that. You have to find things that makes you happy. You have to have fun with yourself. Like, invest in yourself. As I said the first time, is to prioritize yourself as number one and accept rejection. So now that you have given yourself time and you are not really giving that person, that lady that have thrown you into the friend zone, you are not giving her the attention that you usually give her before. Now it is the time for you to work more on yourself. Like, work more on your attractiveness and your sexual touch, your sexual speaking, boldness, and everything with ladies. And that means your confidence. That means touching the touch barrier, breaking the touch barrier. What I mean by breaking the touch barrier is you are afraid of moving with ladies, afraid of acknowledging yourself to ladies that you are a man and you are not someone that you just have to be toyed around anyhow. So first of all, you have to work more on your appearance. You have to work more on your speaking. You don't need to speak too much. You don't need to speak too fast. You have to be calm in whatever you are doing. And your posture, your body movement, your body language matters a lot. Whenever you are speaking to a lady to attract her, you don't need to talk fast. You have to talk calmly, give her this little smile. And whenever you are coming in contact with any lady as well, you have to maintain eye contact. That is very, very key in attraction to any lady, because eye contact signifies confidence. Another tip that I want you to take seriously for you to get out of a friend zone is to have lady choices. Like, have more female choices. That is what I said from earlier on, that you need to start speaking with ladies. You need to start approaching different ladies. Have them as friends, have them as so many things, but do not take it too much to get into the friend zone. What you need them to do is just to test your attraction, to know how far you have gone, to know how far you have changed, as from being the guy that is always being pushed all around by ladies, the guy that is always being thrown into the friend zone, and becoming the man that is attractive and can get any lady he wants. And what you want that to do for you to get out of that friend zone is, if you have much choices of ladies, the lady that puts you into the friend zone, if she sees that, she will start wondering, like, this friend of mine that is always available for me, and all of a sudden is not more there again, and now is moving with so many beautiful ladies, like something is going on. She will start wondering, and she will start comparing herself to those ladies that you are carrying. Like, since he doesn't have time for me and is already following beautiful ladies all around, that she will start saying that maybe they are even more beautiful than her. That is when jealousy starts to set in, because she will start thinking of that friendship that you have had with her, and now she is not in that picture any longer. Those ladies that you are moving around with, they are taking your time, so she will want to do anything she has in her power to get that her position back. And by doing that, you are putting your picture frame in her mind, and jealousy steps in, and after jealousy, there's nothing she can do again. She will get attracted to you. That is it. It's very simple thing. So having lady choices is just to spark up the jealousy in her, and to actually show her in a way that you have the capability to talk to ladies, you have the potential to attract ladies, and for her throwing you into the friend zone is a very, very bad thing, and you don't like it. So now that you have listened to almost all the tips that you need to get out of the friend zone that any lady might have thrown you into, or you might have thrown yourself into by even doing one thing or the other that doesn't go right. So the final tip for this video is to confront her and tell her about your intentions, that yes, I am attracted to you, and I don't just want to be a friend to you. I am sick and tired of being your friend, and I want these feelings to go longer than this. Like, I want us to take this a step forward. You might get a yes, and you might also get a no, but the probability of you getting the yes after using these tips that I've dropped for you earlier is like 75 to 80% probability you will get a yes, and she will actually see you as a new attractive man that you were meant to have been doing since the first time you came in contact with her. And I've told you, break that touch barrier. Don't be scared to touch ladies by the waist, the lower side of the waist, when you are walking or you are in a crowded area, or to even put your hand by the shoulder, or to hug a lady when you are just seeing each other after some very, very, very long days or time. Don't be scared to initiate the touch barrier, to break the touch barrier between you and that lady that have put you into that friend zone. So what you want to do now is to make your intention known to her, that you love her and you are attracted to her. Don't make it too known. Like, don't be over obsessed with you love her, then you start becoming obsessed with that love. Lady will find it, and they will actually work on that obsession that you have for them. Then they will begin to play you. You have been thrown into that friend zone. You have also been thrown into that nice guy particular box, and you are also being toyed around like a puppet. So that is not what you want to get into. You have to keep on that confident look, that calm walking, that body structure, the body language, the facial expression. Everything should be perfect to initiate the sexual tension and attraction you need to attract any lady and to get out of that friend zone. So once again, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and click on the notification button so that you could be getting lovely videos like this anytime I release them. My name is Paul, and have a nice day.